How to manifest your desire with the help of water. I have created a whole playlist and I have explained everything, but for the people who have joined me new, let me share this with you. All you need is a glass of water or a bottle of water. Your desire, what you can do is write it down on a piece of paper, whatever is happening in your life at the moment. Whatever are your concerns, whatever is bothering you, write them down in details. Now once you are done with that, on the other side of page, write down what is it that you would want in your life, what kind of life you desire. And once you are happy with whatever you have written, you are absolutely sure this is how I want my life, or maybe my life partner, my job is. This is where the water and the manifestation comes. If you are not aware, water remembers everything. So this water, wherever it came from, it would have all the memories. So now when I'm saying anything to the water is going to remember. And I'm going to put the playlist where I have created everything about water, how to create money through water, relationship. And now let's come back to this. Once you finalize, you can come up with either a switch word or an affirmation for yourself. Or if you are not sure about how to create affirmation or switch word, just visualize that dream life, that goal of yours in present life. So if I give you example, if you are saying I would like XYZ amount of money, you say it in a present tense that I have XYZ amount of money and I'm so happy and grateful. Normally I would love to use this Bob Proctor's way of affirmation, which is I am so happy and grateful that my life is abundant. I am so happy and grateful that I have wonderful relationship with my husband and my child. These are the few examples. See what works out for you. If you are not sure, you can write down in the comment and I will try and make a separate video, or I would write down in the comments for you what affirmation could work for you. I am so happy and grateful for the healthy life. I am so happy and grateful for lovely hair, for beautiful skin. I am so happy and grateful that I have financial abundance. I am so happy and grateful that I am money magnet. Or you can just say I am money magnet, I am productive, I am abundance, I am so beautiful, I receive tons of compliments. So you got the point of affirmation. Now once you come up with your final affirmation, you can look into the water and you can say this affirmation with utmost belief. Your belief, your faith is going to work like magic. So when you do it, look into the water, give tons of love as if this water is so dear to you. Give tons of love to this water and then drink this water. When you drink this water, feel it. Feel that life. Feel that energy. Feel that beautiful relationship with your family. Feel that beautiful relationship with your life partner. Feel when you get that money in your life, how your life is going to change. So you got the point. Now let me repeat it again. You start on a piece of paper, whatever is happening in your life. On the second side, write down what is it you want to desire to manifest. Once you come up with the final affirmation for you, grab a glass of water or a bottle of water, say this affirmation with utmost belief and say it while you are holding the water. Say it with the belief and sip it slowly or maybe gulp it in one go. How will this work? Water remembers, and if you are aware, our body is so much of water, almost 70 to 80% is water. So when I'm drinking this water, it is working on my body, on my cellular level, and that is creating that energy, that environment subconsciously for me. So that is how you can do and manifest anything with water. I have created a whole playlist, that is one in English, Hindi and Gujarati. So I'm going to post that under the description of the video, and if you would like me to ask me about any other affirmation, any topics you want me to create videos on, you can always comment and I will be happy to reply to you, or I always make notes of all your comments. So whatever is the comment, your request you are sending to me, I would be writing them down and I will make sure that I work on it. So happy manifesting. Another thing, if you want, you can do is, while you are holding the glass of water, keep saying it so much that you can see it, feel it, say it with all your five senses. So when you are saying that I am so happy and grateful that I have wonderful relationship, start seeing that, start creating that scene like a director, like you are a movie director. You are the director. You can create the story, you can give whatever kind of outfit to your actors. Once you do it, start visualizing. Imagine what kind of fragrance it would be. Imagine what kind of sense it would be in your environment. When you combine all of this, when you combine all your senses, the miracle will start happening in your life. And there is a beautiful switch word Reiki healing video which I have already posted. You can do that to create miracles in your life, to create whatever you want in your life. So I will be posting that as well under the description. You will see all the playlist. You can even go onto my playlist to see all different kinds of videos I have made. And yes, so happy manifesting. Let me know if you have any more questions about this. How long you need to do it? You need to keep on doing it unless and until your desire manifests. So have strong faith, have strong belief, and keep doing it. Anyway, we drink water in our life. We always drink water. So let's make this as a beautiful vehicle, beautiful way to manifest our desires. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments where are you connecting from, any or every. This could go in a blooper, but no, I would continue. Any and every suggestion of yours is highly, highly appreciated. I really love reading them. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take care. Bye. Do it now. Don't delay it.